So, I didn't even think I was gonna make a video like this ever again. It's been like 2 years since I even did this. Just keep in mind that the overall goal is to get some form of Linux even running at all and usable on this Pentium 3 machine. And I might be cringing while editing this video, just so you know, for some reason. But other than that, onto the video. Jesus fucking Christ, that was loud. So anyway, what I'm doing here right now is, I'm pretty much, this is the hard drive from the Windows Vista PC. We are using this instead because I don't want to overwrite my Windows 2000 installation. The good news is I don't have to redo my entire IDE interface, so that's why I got a SATA hard drive here. Now I do have a 6 GB IDE drive and a 10 GB IDE drive from the Xbox, but I don't want to redo my entire IDE cabling. So let's go with this. And just like that, we are ready to go. Alright, motherfucker, you have to get out of the way. So I have tried to get this working under 86 box, but for some reason I couldn't even get video working. Like, it would install and everything, but whenever I got in the setup procedure, fuck, I can't English. So whenever I went into the setup procedure, I would get a no video mode found error, no matter what GPU I tried. Look, I even tried this in an 86 box form called PC box, and no hope. So that's why we're here, on real hardware. So let's just get started, I guess. Actually, I'm curious, what would happen if Windows Vista tried to start up on this hardware? That is actually the polar opposite of what I expected, honestly. Oh. Windows failed to start. And I can't do shit. Because the keyboard doesn't want to work. We'll just let it go, I guess. And just in case you were wondering, it is Vista 32-bit. So that can't be why it's not started up. Okay, enough fun. I think it's about time we go back to what we were trying to do here. Let's roll. So anyway, we gotta go in the setup and spam the delete key, because I don't know what the fuck is happening anymore. What? It works in the BIOS, but it doesn't work in the Windows Vista boot manager, whatever. So we gotta fix our boot options here, because the first boot device is set to the hard drive. So the CD-ROM, set this to hard drive, and we should be good. And here we are. Press enter the key to install or upgrade the system running Mandrake 5.1 or later. Oh, I guess it's doing it already. And we play the waiting game, I guess. In second stage install. So are we just waiting here or what? Oh, here we go. Except my mouse doesn't work, and Oh, my keyboard works, but my mouse doesn't. Alright, I guess we'll just go with keyboard. Customize. Normal. No, I don't have a SCSI interface. Alright, what is the mouse type? Is there a USB? USB mouse. 3 buttons or more, I guess. Skip. Choose security level. Doesn't matter. Precise RAM size if needed. Yeah, that is the exact amount of RAM. Oh my god, there's a... Oh, there's my NTFS drive. Now, I'm gonna have to say goodbye, because... Why isn't it doing anything? I guess clear all? Oh, there we go. There we go. Now I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this Vista install. Not like it matters anyway, because it's now on that solid state drive. So I guess done. And the deed is done. Now the deed is done. I'm actually just gonna wait a long time for this to go. It might be just doing a full format instead of just a quick format. I feel like that's what it's doing right now. Because normally it wouldn't take this long to format. Not even on a mechanical SATA drive. Oh, hold up. I think we're frozen. Pressing numb like there's nothing. Shit. Oh, I just hit the power button and instantaneously shut off. Well, I guess we should try again. And if it turns out it doesn't like the hard drive, we got another one we could try, which is the full-on IDE drive. But we're not going to do that until we have to. Or maybe I'm just impatient and just not waiting. Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes starting now.
Fuck, it's not focusing. Okay, I think I have waited long enough. So I'm just gonna turn off the PC and insert the different hard drive. I really hope I do not bend the pins on this. I need a SATA adapter. Because I really need this to use the SSD on this machine. Oh, okay, we're fine. Except we're not fine because there's a bunch of cables. What the hell is going on here? Okay. Unfortunately, we won't be able to have the front fan, but we're not doing this forever. Get in there. Alright. Oh, let me also make sure. This drive has to be set to master, otherwise we will not be able to use this drive. Oh, it has no jumper on it. Well, I'm not sure how this drive will function without a jumper. I should probably grab one real quick before everything dies down. Alright, got a drive to steal a jumper from. I'm just gonna steal this drive. And we're gonna put it in here. Master or single drive. Alright. If I could... God damn it. And we should be good to go now. As soon as I plug in the IDE cable, we are good to go. I don't even know what's on this hard drive. I think it's a copy of Windows 2000. Not like it would boot anyway, because Windows 2000 hates it when you go to different hardware. DirectX now needs to resize your Windows partition. But I wasn't even planning on dual booting with Windows. Not on this drive. I guess we're just gonna wait then. Oh, no. I remember now. This does not have Windows 2000 on it. It has Windows 98. Wait. No. Damn, I can't just... Wait, it's just installing by itself? I don't have to do anything? I don't know what to say. But this is not what I had in plan. Let me just quick reset it. Because I do not plan on dual booting with Windows. Alright. Let's see what it did to the partitioning table. I can't even go in the partition table because it won't let me. Oh, I should probably look at what's happening here. So, I can see here it kind of partitioned it in a way to where Windows 98 would still have a lot of the space. But then this part of the hard drive is Linux. And we don't want that, so we are just gonna clear all and auto allocate. And we are done. Hey, it was just because the hard drive was too big. Okay. Alright, let's go. I can't do anything because this won't scroll. Oh, we still don't have a mouse. Should have plugged in the PS2 mouse, but I don't know where it is, so we're just gonna roll with whatever right now. Okay. Choose the size you want to install. Everything. This is probably gonna take a while. So... see ya when it's done. So much anxiety knowing when it's ever gonna be finished. Post-install configuration. I think this is a moment of truth. Will this video card work with this installation of Linux Mandrake? I guess local LAN. It's the closest thing. Loading module failed. Yeah, honestly, I wasn't expecting it to work either. Do not set up networking. No, I don't have a printer. You know what? I'm just gonna ASDF. Radmin. Already added Radmin. Done. Custom boot disk? No. Dev HTA. Just set it to Dev HTA. Following entries in Lilo. That's good to go. Alright, X window configuration. This is where it failed last time. Now, our Radeon 9200 can actually do more than 16-bit color. But since this is the max that can go there, I guess we're gonna go with that then. Congratulations, installation is complete. Keep that close by, just in case we need it again. Lilo. I guess we're already loading Linux. Oh hey, I didn't know swap space was a thing on Retro Linux. Oh my god, that hard drive is annihilate. Oh my god. X works on a video card that's newer than the operating system? No way. Ah, but I can't use the keyboard. Okay. Fine, we'll play that game. What if I unplug it and plug it back in? Nothing. Nothing at all. Alright, fine. We'll play that game. You know, I wasn't planning on ever using this keyboard for any videos, but looks like we have to. God, this thing's so fucking heavy. Yup, here we go. We have the Model N now, because apparently Linux doesn't want to deal with USB. So, yep, you're gonna hear a click-clack for the rest of the video. Wait a second. HDA 5 was not cleanly unmounted? None of them was cleanly unmounted? But I hit the power button. And it successfully shut down. What do you mean it wasn't cleanly formatted? Okay, I guess. Well, I'm honestly surprised that my 9200SC works with Mandrake Linux 7, because if it didn't, I was just gonna pull out this video card. But it looks like I won't have to, because it just works. Holy shit. Slogging. I don't know why USB doesn't work. It's clearly on the USB 1.1 bus. Sorry, your X11 server lacks DPMS support? The fuck is DPMS? Hey, it works. I guess I can't control the mouse. But my keyboard clearly works. But I can't really control it. At least I could go to TTY. And I gotta do stuff. Okay, we haven't scratched the surface yet. Why don't we try a different Linux distro rather than Mandrake Linux? Why not try a modern Linux distro? Yes, I think I have said before that we have tried too much modern Linux, but we haven't done modern Linux on an old machine like this build right here. So why don't we go do this? Oh, right. I forgot. This is the keyboard I use on my main machine. Fuck, now I have to go put it back. Okay, so 2 disk burns later, here we are. Excuse my writing. Now this is kind of related, but there's actually a version of Mandrake Linux for the Xbox. And I've actually had trouble trying to find that version of Linux. But if anyone is able to find it for me, I think it's like Mandrake Linux 9 or 8. But if anyone is able to find it, please let me know. Because I would like to cover it. I've seen 0 videos on YouTube about this version of Linux. And I would like to cover it. So alright, let's try this out, I guess. Wrong disk. quite a different kind of boot up we got here. Probably because it's modern Linux. Oh, here we go. 1280 by 1024. Here we go. Apparently, the login? Root? Oh, welcome to Alpine. You can set up the system with the command setup-alpine. Available keyboard layouts. US? Available variants. How many variants do you need? Where's the US normal? I guess US-alt-intl. Enter system host name. Keep the same here. Available Ethernet interfaces are enter dash. What the fuck am I saying? Enter a question mark for help on bridges, bonding, and WLANs. ETH0. Do I need Ethernet? Please tell me I don't need it. Failed to get a DHCP release. Probably because there's no Ethernet cable. Change the root password. You motherfucker, I can't use weed as a password. ASDFJKL semicolon. Oh, I don't have to retype it. Okay. I misread that. We're good then. EST. Use my time zone. Don't judge me. Just to keep pressing things here. Is it there is something off here? Cause looks like that's off center or something. Oh wait, what is happening here? Enter mirror number? I'm gonna keep pressing enter for everything, I guess. I guess we do need Ethernet. God damn, why do I have to do everything myself? I really hate when I have to do this. Oh god. Yep, here we go again. Yep, here we go. Let's hope something actually works. Or not, because it's not focusing. What do you mean bad address? I just connected you to the Ethernet. Control delete. Alright, let's just see real quick. For fuck's sake. Wait, you still failed to get a DHCP lease? Yup, it still failed. And my camera went out of focus for no reason. Wait. We're actually getting somewhere? I'm just pressing enter for everything. We were somehow getting somewhere. Available disks are... Wait. Why is my hard drive not showing up? Something's wrong here. Oh, wait, speaking of wrong, not even my fan is powered up. At least the front fan. So I have probably hooked up something wrong here. Let's go fix that, I guess. Yep, as I clearly see, I forgot to plug this part into the actual power supply. That would be why nothing here is working. Yep, we are back from what we have started with. I think I know what's going on though. Just my internet connection sharing is a bit iffy. Because if we take a look here, my internet is just fine. If it will focus. Yeah, I don't understand why it's not working then. If we try 0, whatever 0 is. Wait, that works? Okay, I guess we're going with that. Okay, here we are. Now our hard drive is being detected. Now we want dev SDA. Right there. SDA. How would you like to use it? SYS? A fallen drive will be erased. Yes. The file dev SDA1 does not exist and no size was specified? That doesn't make any sense considering the fact it could find it, first off. Mounting dev SDA1 on mount boot failed. No such file or directory? Okay, clearly we haven't gotten it working, so I guess we are just going back to square one. Okay, well, if that doesn't want to work, we'll try something different. Go F-disk our way through. Just try to read what I'm doing here. How do I do this? Okay, I kind of looked it up. Let's just F this dev SCA. Number of cylinders for this disk is set to 14593. There is nothing wrong with that, but this is larger than 1024. It could cause certain problems with software that runs at boot time, booting and partitioning software from other OSs. Okay. Delete a partition. Now we want to create a new partition. A primary partition. Partition number 1. First sector, default 63. Last sector, keep it the same, using default value. Now we write the changes. Reading partition table failed. Kernel uses still old table. So it's been altered, but I have to reboot. That's fine by me. And here we are. Finally, a good partition table we could start off with. I love how my camera's autofocus just freaks out over everything. Because I want to use it as SYS, but I'm gonna read real quick. Okay, traditional disk install. Alright. I was doing it pretty much normal anyway. What if I don't want to? Oh, I have to? Jesus Christ. No, I have to redo everything. I just broke the entire script. Oops. Well, this is just great. Take a look at this. Yep, that's what happens when your Wi-Fi drivers suck on your laptop. I give up. Alright, this is the last CD I'm burning for tonight. Seriously, there's no auto boot? What is wrong with the legacy emulation? Probably don't even have it enabled. USB keyboard support enabled. Now I should be able to press enter. Now this is what I remember. Hit the wrong button. Oh, it found it, I guess. I guess we're just stuck on this blank screen then. Just like every other distro that tries to do anything. I mean, the system's not frozen, I can press numlock and it does something. But what is it waiting on? It's just doing nothing. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I just mashed keys on the keyboard. Look at that. Oh, it's not good. Control delete. Alright, I guess we're reaching for the reset button again. So, doing a reset fixed everything? All I also did was plug something into the Ethernet port. Oh, no we have not. Is it getting stuck on this? Do I have to remove my Ethernet card? That was the problem? No network interfaces were found. I know. Erase entire disk? Yes. Right changes. Nice hard disk format. Well, at least we're going farther than LP Linux. Because Ubuntu somehow actually works here. Oh, we're not done yet. Apparently, we've got more stuff to install here. Oh, hey. Ejected the disk. First stage of the installation process is complete. I wonder if there's a way to stop the memory check from happening every single boot. Okay, so the recording stopped because my iPhone's storage filled up. But from what I see, it seems to have successfully booted up. The root account will be disabled by default. Instead, the user you create will be allowed to gain root privileges using the sudo command. Alright, let's go. I guess while we're at it, we'll put in this DVD just in case it needs it. Radmin. Provides additional software and timely security updates via the internet. No. Because we don't even have Ethernet on this. At least not yet. I'm planning to put it back in, hoping that it works after I install this. So we'll see if it even works here. I guess it's apparently doing everything from the hard drive, so I guess we don't even need the CD. I'll just leave it in just in case it does need it. Oh, it's done? Hold a second. Thank you for choosing Ubuntu. Blah 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 blah. Wait. Just like that, I'm dumped into the login? You gotta be kidding me, just like that? I don't even need the CD anymore. Hey, look at that. Got some form of old Linux. Home.ubuntu.com cannot be found. Probably because I'm not on Ethernet. Okay, what else can we do? Can we try to do? We have the GIMP. So if we wanted to, we could paint this old GIMP. I guess we'll paint 256 by 256 pixels. And here it is, my masterpiece. Save it. Precious. Alright, that's all I can think of to do. But wait a minute. I'm not done just yet. We have to reinstall the Ethernet card. Or not, because I can't get into there. Now let's see if it detects the card. It's a local loopback. I don't think that's that card though. Network tools? No, it does not detect it. Unfortunately.